this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to test out your controls on your Steam Deck to see if everything is functioning correctly. So we can just go down to Steam right here, click this, and let's go to settings. Then we scroll on through here and we can go to controller now. And if we have a different controller connected, we can also do it with that here. But we can go to test device inputs and we can go to begin test. Now click something on your Steam Deck. So you can see the right trackpad. If I touch this, it's going to give me a bunch of different variables on here. Then if we touch the joystick, same thing. Right trigger, left trigger, and you can see it's showing up. So if I press these buttons, they're going to show up blue on the screen. What about touching the touchpad? That doesn't seem to work. What about this button? That button works here too. So you can just test all your different buttons and just see if it works and it shows up on the screen. So it's very easy. Then we can hold B to exit and come back to the screen. And then we can go to calibration for advanced settings right here. And this will be our right and left joystick dead zone. So just switch back and forth. And you probably want your dead zone at 0, so you can just adjust it in the game settings, but just put that at 0. That's going to help out a lot more. Then here's your gyro. If you move this up and down, you can see how sensitive this is. I'm just moving this very slightly and it's showing up on the screen. Your haptics, your left and right intensity. So, I don't know, we recommend 7 or lower. Okay, so look at those different options. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel down below for more technical videos coming up next.